We're Leith and Ashley Finnegan. We own Maven Construction Group in Gainesville, Florida. When we're not chasing our two boys or spending time outdoors, we're restoring properties damaged by water, mold, fire, and storms. We take some of the dirtiest, most complex property disasters and put them back together, better than they were before. We're going to give you an inside peek into how we get these homes back into shape. This is Restoration Rescue. We are here on site at what we are calling our UF House remodel project. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath home built in the 1930s. It's actually walking distance to Ben Hill Griffin Stadium and the University of Florida campus, which is awesome. Go Gators! When we first saw this place, it was a mess. There were college kids living in here. They'd been renting it for years, and so it was also a man-made disaster as well. One of the most interesting factors of this house, being that it was 1939, is it's the only home that we've ever done that had to undergo an asbestos, lead, and mold remediation protocol. When we got here, one of the first things we noticed was that it was really dark. It was like kind of being in a man cave, and so we really had to do a lot to brighten this place up. We went with a lot of lighter selection colors, neutral tones on the walls, on the floors, on the shiplap accent wall, the tiles in the bathrooms, and even the cabinets in the kitchen. We really just wanted to brighten it up. There were old screens that were on the front porch and an enclosure around the entire pool, so it was really blocking a lot of the natural light that would really open this place up. The kitchen for this house was a real challenge. We had to remove all of the cabinets, and we went back with a solid wood white shaker cabinet. We also decided to put in the black granite and the black stainless steel appliances. It gives it a really sleek and modern look. The sink in the kitchen was also in the corner, so you were in timeout when you were washing dishes or something. So we also decided to move that so that it was appropriately placed in front of a window. Curb appeal was a real issue with this house. The house actually had screens on the front elevation, so one way we achieved better curb appeal was we removed the screens and built custom wood railings on the front porch. We also added cypress tongue and groove on the front porch ceiling and painted it white to lighten things up. The pool was atrocious. It was like a green slime and beer cans, and I can't even believe the fraternity boys who lived here could get girls to come over to this place. I mean, it was nasty, right? Yeah, I think I've actually been to a party at this place. It was great. So. In college? No, it was like a week ago. He definitely wouldn't have jumped in the pool like he did to take a pool bath if it looked like it did when we first saw this place. It needed some help, big help. Looks awesome now. One of the unique challenges we had in this house was in the hallway bathroom. Due to the fact that all of the walls are poured solid concrete, you couldn't move walls to change the actual floor plan. So we had to bring in a specialty sink because we couldn't actually change the opening, and the opening needed to be code. So that was kind of... So we ended up getting this eensy weensy sink that fits perfect, and you can actually move around it. Looks like a water fountain. It's kind of cool. Looks like a water fountain, but it's a sink. Exactly. We got to get creative. One of the main challenges we had in the living room was the brown paneling on the walls from the 1970s. We actually removed the brown paneling and we put up this beautiful white shiplap siding that's behind us. It really helped lighten up the room and give it a nice modern look. Why do they call it shiplap? It's just what they call it. So we're really happy with the way this project turned out. The homeowner is really happy. We had a lot of obstacles that we kind of had to overcome and work through, but this house is ready to go on the market. I think it's going to make a great home for somebody. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at mavenrestoration.com.